Today, our topic of discussion is electroplating. In this topic, we will discuss first one definition of electroplating, second one the important factors that govern the process of electrolysis. What is electroplating? Electroplating is the process of electrolytic deposition of a metal on the surface of another metal, alloy or conductor by the process of electrolysis. Next, move on to the important factors that govern the process of electrolysis. There are mainly three important factors that govern the process of electrolysis. First one, polarization. Second one, decomposition of potential. Third one, over voltage. Let's move on to the first one, that is polarization. Polarization is defined as a process where there is a variation of electrode potential due to inadequate, that is slow supply of ionic species from the bulk of solution to the electrode surface. Actually, polarization is an electrode phenomena. The electrode potential is given by the Nernst equation, that is E cell equal to E0 plus 0.0591 divided by N log concentration of Mn plus, where E0 is standard electrode potential. Concentration of a Mn plus is metal ion concentration surrounding the electrode surface at the equilibrium. Consider an electrolytic cell under operation. When current is being passed, positive ions are produced at the anode and are consumed at the cathode. If the diffusion of an ion in electrolyte is slow, there will be an accumulation of a positive ion in the vicinity of the anode. Similarly, there will be depletion of ion in the vicinity of cathode. Under these conditions, the anode and cathode are said to be polarized. This type of polarization is known as concentration polarization. The factors that affecting the electrode polarization are: first one, nature of electrode, that is size, shape and composition. Second one, electrolytic concentration. Third one, temperature. Fourth one, rate of stirring of electrolyte. Fifth one, products formed at the electrode. Next, move on to the second factor, that is decomposition of potential. It is represented as ED. Decomposition of potential is defined as the minimum voltage that must be applied in order to carry out continuous electrolysis of the electrolyte. The decomposition potential is determined using an electrolytic cell as shown in figure. In this picture we can see, in electrolysis of water, a pair of platinum electrodes immersed in a solution of an acid. It is found experimentally that a potential of about 1.7 volt must be applied to the cell before their set in continuous evolution of H2 and O2. The voltage at which the current increases suddenly is called ED of electrolyte, that is decomposition potential of electrolyte. Next, move on to the last factor, that is over voltage or over potential. Over voltage is defined as the excess voltage that has to be applied above the theoretical decomposition potential to start the electrolysis. The representation of over voltage is eta. So eta equal to ED experimental, that is decomposition potential of experimental, minus ED theoretical, that is decomposition potential of theoretical. For example, for electrolysis of water using smooth platinum electrode, the theoretical decomposition potential using platinum electrode is 1.23 volt. The experimental decomposition potential using smooth platinum electrode is 1.7 volt. So eta equal to 1.7 minus 1.23 equal to 0.47 volt. Factors affecting over voltage value are: first one, nature of electrode. Second one, nature of product formed at the electrode. Third one, current density, that is current per unit area of electrode surface. Fourth one, temperature. And fifth one, rate of stirring. These are regarding electroplating and the factors that can govern the process of electrolysis. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.